Hi guys, welcome to TechPP. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit and annotate PDF files using WhatsApp Web. WhatsApp recently added a new feature that lets you open and annotate PDF files directly inside the WhatsApp Web and desktop apps. Whether you received a PDF in one of your chats or want to upload a separate PDF file to WhatsApp, you can open it, add annotations, and save the edited version. Let's see how it works. If you have already received the PDF in a WhatsApp chat, tap directly on the PDF file. The document will open in the preview window. From here, tap on the Edit PDF option. However, if the PDF is not already available in your WhatsApp chats, you can send it to yourself or share it with someone else. To add the PDF, tap the plus icon. Now select Document. Choose the PDF file you want to annotate and upload it. Once the PDF is added, it will appear inside the chat. Open the file and tap Edit PDF. Currently, WhatsApp provides 4 main annotation tools. The first one is Draw. Select the Draw tool and use your mouse or trackpad to draw anything on the PDF. You can also adjust the brush thickness using the option available in the toolbar. If you make a mistake, tap the Undo button to remove your most recent change. The second tool is Highlight. Select the Highlight tool and drag over the text you want to highlight. To change the highlight color, tap the color palette and select your preferred color. Remember that changing the color will apply it to your next highlight. It will not change the color of text you have already highlighted. The third tool is Underline. Select the Underline tool and choose the text you want to underline. WhatsApp will add a line underneath the selected text. The fourth tool is Strikethrough. Select the Strikethrough option from the top toolbar. Now select the text you want to cross out. These 4 annotation tools are currently quite basic, but they are still very useful for making quick changes to PDF files. For example, you can highlight important information, underline a sentence, cross out incorrect text, or draw directly on a document. You can do all of this without first downloading the PDF and opening it inside another application. Once you finish adding, you can tap on the Done button. From here, if you want to download and save it to your device, you can tap on the download option and it will save to your device. However, if you want to share it with the same chat, you can tap on the send button. And that's it, the PDF will be sent to the chat. You can use Adobe Acrobat for more advanced PDF editing, but several of its advanced features require a paid subscription, and it frequently asks users to upgrade. For quick PDF annotations, WhatsApp's built-in tools are a simple and free alternative. The one feature I wish WhatsApp had included is the ability to add a signature directly using these built-in annotation tools. That is one of the features I use most often while working with PDF files, but it is currently not available here. Hopefully, WhatsApp will add signatures and more PDF editing options in future updates. That's it. This is how you can open, edit, and annotate PDF files directly using WhatsApp Web. I hope you found this guide helpful. For more helpful tutorials like this, subscribe to our TechPP channel.